This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Whirlpool and also Kitchenaid refrigerator that is not responding to commands here at the control panel. So when you press any of the buttons, nothing happens, no response. And this is due to a faulty touchpad, that the little buttons that you're pressing has to be replaced. They call it, instead of a touchpad, they call it an overlay. And here's a place to get one from walmart.com. We'll put a link in the description below on where to get one. But to remove it's pretty easy. First thing is you take the light plate there in the back and push it about half an inch toward the back of the fridge. It'll come right out. Then take a standard head screwdriver and you have to push in on two little tabs to make the back of this overlay release. There's one right here. Push in with the standard head screwdriver and pull down on the back and it'll release. It'll come down by about 1/4 inch. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. This is on the right side. I'm going to push it in and then pull down. And then the whole thing will hinge down. And you can pull out the front. And then there's two things you have to undo there. There's a little temperature sensor that pops out and one modular connector that comes right out. And the thing we're going to be replacing is not this electronic component here. That's the control. But instead we're going to be replacing kind of like a decal on the front of that, which is the touchpad or overlay. And we have to remove this little ribbon cable by pulling it out, the one near my thumb. Here's the new one, comes in a little bubble wrap. We pull it out of the bubble wrap and we're going to remove a sticker, or not a sticker, but a part of the adhesive on the back. We just pulled off the old one. Remove the part on the new one that's going to expose the adhesive, and we're going to slide the ribbon cable through, and then we're going to push down with our thumbs to secure it to the plastic, and we'll put the ribbon cable into the electronic component. Now we're putting the temperature sensor back in and also the modular connector, and then we're going to connect it to in the front first by pushing these plastic tabs back up into the holes. And then after we get them in there, we'll go ahead and hinge the back area up toward the top, and we're going to give it a little bit of a thump with the palm of our hand on the right side and left side to lock it in. So it goes in pretty easy. It goes in with those tabs first. We give it a little thunk to lock it in. There's the tab we're going to push in. So smack it one, smack it two, and you're done. Now we have control again over all the buttons. So that touchpad was faulty, and it's just kind of like a sticker. You unpeel it, put the new one on, and then hook up the ribbon cable, and then put it back into position, hook up the modular connector and the temperature sensor, and you're done. The last thing is just to put the light bulb cover back in, which is really easy. You lift it up into position and then you pull it towards you, toward the front of the fridge to lock it in. So this will only take you about 5 minutes, really easy to do. The part ranges from about $60 to as much as $120, depending on where you get it. Hopefully this has been helpful to you and you get your fridge working again. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.